Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL E500BT wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not connecting to your phone or your other device, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now if it doesn't work or you'd rather just get a new set of headphones, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good set of headphones at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all the pairing history, clear all the settings out so that you can set these headphones up basically like they're new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that with this reset. So all we need to do is make sure that our headphones are on. So if they're not on, we'll just come turn them on. And once they're on, we're just going to come and press and hold the volume up and volume down, or the plus and minus buttons, simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. And after those 5 seconds or so, you'll see the headphones will automatically turn off and then reboot into their factory default state, where you can go ahead and set them up like new.